Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Elemis Skin Bliss Capsules. You should buy this product or not, and how to use this product and what are the benefits, side effects. So in this video we will cover lots of information. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, if we talk about this brand, Elemis is a very popular brand and they are 28-year-old. Okay, and they have different kinds of product, and they are very good in this domain. Okay, so if we talk about you should use these capsules or not, does it really give you benefits or how to use? So first of all, basically you can see over here what is the use of this capsule. Basically it will provide you anti-aging, you can say it will work as a anti-aging. Okay, and it will also replenish and nourish your skin, and it will also work as a serum in the form of capsule. It will also work as a serum. Okay, so basically the main nutrition, so you can see I want to show you the main nutrition of this capsule is like moringa oil, which is rich in antioxidants, and rose absolute, and which hydrate your skin and all. So you can see the information they have provided. So the information is looking very good and the brand is also looking very good. So if we talk about you should try or not, yes, definitely you should try it at least once. But if we talk about like the results is depends on person to person and on your skin condition type. But definitely I can say this thing, you will definitely get results, but the results will come not overnight. It will take time, approx we can say 4 weeks or 6 weeks. You can say like 4 weeks to 6 weeks you have to take. They are, you can say like this capsule will take time, and definitely you will see lots of benefits. And you can see there is a clinical test they have run, and 98% agree when they use this product, like skin looking healthy and with the radiant glow, and 98% agreed improve skin clarity. And all these results is you can say like a trial on, you can say like 120 peoples over 2 weeks, and this trial is happened in 2020, you can say like 19. Okay, so the thing is, this is a really amazing product. You should try it, and without any problem you can use it. And you can see also the ratings of the product is really amazing, so you can use without any doubt. Okay, and if you have any experience with this product, please share your thoughts in our comment box. So how to use this product, we talk about like you should use this you can like product one in the morning time and one in the night time at the bed time. Okay, so morning time you have to use this golden one, and in the night time you have to use this green one. Okay, so you need to apply these two capsule, one in the morning and one in the evening, and that's it. Okay, so this is the information, my dear friends, and if you are facing any issue you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Hopefully this video will helpful, and yes, if yes, please hit a like button. So bye bye.